How's it going, you guys? Welcome on back to another episode of Team Gilman Garage. My name is Ian, and today I'm going to be talking about all the accessories we put on this brand new 2023 Acura Integra. Now, first and foremost, you guys, check out those beautiful 19-inch matte black wheels, you guys. Now, those are paired with 235 35R19 Goodyear Exhilarate high-performance tires to take this car's performance to an all-new level. Now, moving on to the back of the car, we got the gloss black splitter, gloss black Acura emblem, gloss black A-Spec emblem, and of course the gloss black rear tailgate spoiler. Now, moving on back to the side of the car, we of course have the gloss black side underbody spoiler. And if you guys look really close for me, we even have the carbon fiber mirror caps on this brand new 2023 Integra. Now, completing our list of exterior accessories is of course the gloss black A-Mark emblem for that front grille area. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share our videos so we can continue to produce content just like this, just for you guys. And since I have this brand new Acura Integra here, I want you guys to leave down in the comment section below what you'd like to see me cover. Leave some suggestions and I'll get to it, you guys.